Yes.
Birthday nga pala si Zoe.
Ilang taon na si Zoe?
20. 20.
So let us greet her now.
Okay. Zoe, happy birthday.
to you.
We love you and
Happy birthday.
we wish we could celebrate it with you today. But as you can see, we're crazy.
Happy birthday.
So,
Bye.
Happy birthday, Zoe!
Happy birthday, Zoe! We miss you. See you on the 24th.
Hi Zoe, happy birthday. You still owe me a duet. I look forward to when we can do it. So, cheers. Keep singing. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Zoe!
Hey Zoe, happy birthday!
hello ate, happy birthday. Sana, maging maligaya ka. Saka makakita ka ng good life.
Happy birthday, Ate Bulate. Parang kailan lang, no? Nung dumating ako sa inyo, 1 year old pa lang. Tapos naalala ko, pag may gusto kang panoorin at gusto mong ulit-ulitin, sasabihin mo lang, Adin, please, yayata. Tapos, every time na pupunta ako sa kwarto mo, pag umaga, sasabihin mo, Good morning, my good Mayan. Hair in your way. Ngayon, ang laki-laki mo na. Hindi ka na bulati. Ayan, iyak ako. Dati, inuutosan mo ako pag hindi mo kaya, pag hindi mo maabot. Pero ngayon, ako naman ang uutos sa'yo dahil mas mataas ka na sa akin. I love you, God. Happy birthday. Naiyak ako.
Hi Zoe, happy birthday, 20. Ika nga ni Lincoln, 1 score is 20. Happy birthday Zoe. Love you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Zoe. Hey, Zoe! Happy birthday! Stay cool. Happy birthday. There was alcohol during breakfast, so you just put it out there. Happy birthday, Ate Zoe. Yeah, happy birthday.
Hey Zoe, this is your Ninang Mar. And as your Ninang, I'm supposed to give you good advice, right? So the only thing I can
Not my boyfriend!
no is to always be
For a year!
thankful. Oh, stop na kasi I'm going to sing to Zoe. No, this is something that I always sing to my loved ones. And I hope you will remember to sing it to all the people who have made you happy. Sometimes, not often enough, we reflect upon the good things, and our thoughts always center around those we love. And I think about those people who've been so good to me, and for so many years have made me so very happy. Merry Christmas.
Si Melody ang naiyak.
Happy birthday, Zoe!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Noel, come on. Happy birthday,
Yeah.
dear Zoe. Happy birthday to you.
Come on, Noel. Scott. Okay.
Happy birthday. We love you, Zoe. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. You missed the party. Say happy birthday, Ate Zoe.
Happy birthday, Zoe. I hope you have a great 20th birthday. And I look forward to being at your 21st birthday next year.
Oh, it's filming. Okay, so, oh, hi, your dad said to make this short, so bye. No, okay, happy birthday. Thanks for inviting me. I had a good time. Alright, I'll see you soon. You're such an old person. Anyway, okay. Bye, Zoe.
Zoe! I just wanted to say happy birthday and that I love you so much and I wouldn't miss it for the world. And I'm so happy to be here and that you're turning 20 in front of my face. And I'm so glad. I'm so glad. And I have no idea what else to say, but I love you so much. Kisses. Big, big kisses. Love you! Wait!
Zoe, happy 20th anniversary, birthday anniversary. I hope in the 20 years you have accomplished so much knowledge in your school that you now are able to pursue it with good intentions. And
And punch and punch and punch.
Leon, say something meaningful.
Happy birthday, Ate Zoe.
Zoe? Do you want to build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. We never see you anymore. Come out the door, it's like you've gone away. We used to be best buddies, and now we're not. We wish you would tell us why. Do you want to build a snowman? It doesn't have to be a snowman. Happy birthday. Love you. Love you. Phil Dunphy? Happy 20th. Love you, baby.